Well,
Naked
Tiny
killing
all
isn't a
stinks, so
strike.
still strike him.
Hold on.
Well, you were just being annoying. Tiny was just.
I was
Not-
saving my
not-
best buddy Saintly.
Yeah, your best buddy
Oh, you
Stanley
see? You
stinks.
see? You
Hey!
see? Oh,
Protect me!
What do you mean?
What?
Ow.
Oh my god!
What is
What
that?
the fuck? Yo! What?
Is that where Waffles is going?
No, he's actually up there. He's actually up there. He's actually up
Is
there.
that actually...
Yo, that's sick.
Oh, no.
Dude, I wish I was recording that. No, I wish I was recording that. Oh my god. Oh my, that's so cool.
Oh.
That's so aura. Oh my god.
Is he playing the song?
Pancake.
No, I think that's Saintly's playing
You
it.
left
It
the portal
is.
so I can go grind at your base.
I don't know where my base. Stop it!
Wait a minute.
I know where it's at.
Stop it.
Oh my god. Oh my god, the plane's going through.
Oh no! Oh no! No! We have to save it! We have to save it!
No, not to the...
I have to prevent 9/11! I have to prevent 9/11!
Oh my god, is he an actual hero?
No, it's heading straight for the towers! I'm here! I am going to stop you! I'm gonna stop you from committing 9/11.
This is my opponent. I'm scared.
Oh wait, look, it's gonna go right over. It's fine.
Wait,
Go
I gotta
ahead.
introduce him.
You're good, you're good, you're good. What was the pearl for? Wait,
Let's face it.
I'm taking one of these slimes.
Oh, wait,
Let's
wait.
face it. Guys only want one thing.
Oh my god.
No, the plane is still going! Wait! Wait, the plane is still going.
Yo, just
Bro.
I will be
Wait, I'm gonna take the plane.
God.
Loki. I'm
Bro, he has a totem!
I do have a donut.
Oh shoot, I fell.
If you die, I just
Oh,
want
I
to
fell
I
off the
will be
plane.
stealing your stuff.
Oh my god.
Bro, I can't move.
Bro, how was I hurting him and he has a totem and a sword, bro?
Oh,
Dang, bro.
oh, no. Where did he
Wait,
go?
wait.
Oh my god. This is history. This is fucking Beast SMP history right here.
Are you winning?
Yeah.
This fight is not real, bro. I'm not even lying. This fight is not real.
This is history. Yeah.
Bro, my regen ran out!
Oh,
Nice.
He's a new goblin, bro! He's a new goblin!
GG's.
Is that your first kill?
Yeah.
Wait.
That was so funny.
Honestly,
I'm
easy-
taking his
easy
airplane.
I'm gonna
stuff
clip
in my
that.
entire life, bro.
I'm gonna.
This guy's a loot god, bro. Kill Swift, bro.
Whatever, easy W is crazy.
Easy W.
Thank-
Holy shit.
Hey, guess what? Guess
What
what?
an entrance. What an entrance.
We will do another fight when he's fully kitted.
It's just gonna...
Okay.
You know what, Stanley?